buy gift card with debit card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy your gift card with your debit card online. So in this particular tutorial I will be purchasing the Xbox gift card. So you can select any of the gift card that you want to purchase as per your preference. And once you selected the card, so I'm in the official website of Microsoft wherein I'm gonna purchase Xbox gift card, and I'm going to show you that. And after that, just simply click on add to cart, and this gift card will be added to in your cart. And then just go to your cart. And now in order to make your purchase complete, and in order to make the payment and other details, you just have to click on checkout from the right side. And here the first step is to make your payment. So in the payment method, you have to add your payment details. So as you can see that, choose a way to pay in which you can see credit or debit card and e-wallet. So you just simply have to click on credit or debit card since we want to use our debit card. And now you just simply have to mention your card details, your debit card details like your card holder name, your card number, expiration date, CVC code, and your address along with your zip code and your state and other details. And once you're done filling in all these details, just click on save. And on the next page, just preview your order and your Xbox gift card order will be placed. And this way you will be able to buy your gift card with debit card online. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.